Ooh, what other letters do you see? What's this one? M. What's this one? E. That's the E. What's this one? B. Very good. Do you know this one? G. How about this one? V. What about this? That's not a Z. What's this one? I. Very good. Do you know this one? O. And this one? Do you know this letter? B. This one? S. Very good. What other letters do you know? M. You like M. Do you know this one? Z. How about this one? R. This one, huh? What about this one? H. How about this one? Good job. Can you say hi? Hi. How about to the camera? Look at Mama. Whoa, it's a big book. Tony, look at the camera. A, B, C.